Assalamualaikum and very good morning to Encik Nazri. So today our group will present a little bit about statistic analysis of shoe size of students in group 3. So we start for the introduction. This experiment conducted is the shoe size of students for group 3. It was conducted in group 3 and 45 students as the sample data. We proceed with the objectives. The main objective of the experiment is to identify the shoe size of the student of group 3.
Okay, so the methodology for this experiment is by measuring the shoe size of students in group 3 by using measuring tape. The variable used in this experiment is shoe size that is measured in euro size.
So the research findings have been presented into a graph and has been translated into a table. For the class interval 29 to 33 with midpoint 31, the frequency is 4 and the cumulative frequency is at this one is 4. For the class interval 34 to 38, the midpoint is 36, the frequency is 18, and up to this point the cumulative frequency is 22. For class interval 39 to 43 with midpoint 41, the frequency is 21, and that makes the cumulative frequency by far is 43. And the class interval 44 to 48 with midpoint 46, the frequency is 2, and the cumulative frequency is 45, which is the total students of group 3.
So from the data given, we can calculate the mean, which is the sum of frequency times with midpoint over the sum of frequency, and then we can substitute the values, which is 4 times 31 plus 18 times 36 plus 21 times 41 plus 2 times 46 over with 45, and you will get 38.3. So next for median, which is lower class boundary of median class plus with the number of student over 2 minus with cumulative frequency over with frequency of median times with class size class, and then we substitute the value, which is 38.5 plus 45 over 2 minus 22 over 21 times 5, and you will get the answer 38.6.
Okay, so let's move on to the variance. The formula for variance is sum for frequency times midpoint squared minus 1 over sum of frequency times sum of frequency times midpoint squared over sum of frequency minus 1. Then we just substitute the value, which is 66,705 minus 1 over 45 times 1,725 squared over 44. And we will get the answer is 13.1. Then for standard deviation, we just square root the value of variance, which is square root of 13.182, and we will get the answer is 3.631. So from this statistic analysis, we knew that standard deviation is important because the smaller range of standard deviation, the better variability is for further analysis. The low value of standard deviation means that most of the numbers are very close to the average.
For conclusion, it can be seen that the majority of the students in group 3 have shoe size in between 39 to 43. It is recommended to conduct this experiment by comparing the gender of students' shoe size in group 3, which could be done in the future. So that's all from us. Thank you.
Yay!